Hello! After the latest update of Remnote, we have the option of adding a custom CSS code directly into Remnote. What does it mean? Basically, you can add CSS code blocks and it will be compiled so that you can see the changes in the style and appearance of your Remnote workspace. Until this point, we had to use tools like Stylus, which made it difficult to keep the theme active across all devices. For example, if you apply a custom theme to the browser of your computer with Stylus, it won't be applied to your phone or to other browsers or to your other devices. Now, with this feature, every change you make within the Remnote custom CSS will be instantly applied to every device you use to access Remnote, like your iPad or tablet or phone. Also, you can toggle between multiple styles and add different customization options as well. Now let's see how to do that. Open Remnote and make sure you're logged in. I will copy these links from the daily page and you can find them in the description box. Now hit Ctrl O and start typing Custom CSS. If for any reason you don't see this option, hit Alt C to turn off only concept search. You will see this prompt and short explanation and this Add CSS Template button. Paste the links and click the button. Hit Ctrl A to select this generic code and delete it. Now we will visit the last link and copy the code from there. You can have more than one code block, so that you can use different options and toggle between dark and light mode, for example. I will select individual code blocks and copy-paste them into separate CSS templates. I want to keep them separated so that if I want to toggle one option on and off, I can do that without toggling the entire theme. I will turn all of these templates off while I am adding them. I have an option to customize colors for highlighters and referenced rems, option for font customization, option to hide the indented rem indicator, option for closest style, option to hide scroll bars, to keep the side border of multi-line rems thin as a regular side border, to add more space between the lines, and the last one is to keep a bold font less strong. Okay, each block has a comment at the beginning so that you can be sure what you are copy-pasting, and I suggest you keep those for future reference. I just want to quickly show you how to change the fonts. Find this block and select the font you want to use. You can also add your own font if you want, and paste that line above the comment as the first line inside the root block. Finally, let's add the theme. I will add two new CSS blocks, one for dark mode and one for light blue theme. You can either copy-paste the entire code, or if you know where the code is hosted, you can use import like this. If you don't want to play with the code, this is a safe way to import CSS and to be sure you will receive any future updates automatically. You can play around with customization options and see what you like or dislike, and you can toggle different options and different modes. That's it. Now your custom style is ready. I hope you found this helpful. Have a nice day and happy studying.